Is space actually water? What if everything we've been told about space is just the surface of the story? I'm sure you guys have probably heard so many different theories on space, Earth, and everything. And what if the truth is that stars might be born in water? Life began in water, and space itself might be a kind of cosmic ocean. I'm sure you guys may have heard this theory before. Let's dive in, literally. Scientists actually created what they call a star in the jar, as you will see from my previous videos. It's called sonoluminescence, and this is where a tiny air bubble in water is hit with sound and frequencies, and it lights up. That bubble floating in liquid starts glowing like a mini star. So what if that's not just a lab experiment? What if it's a fractal of how stars actually formed? Life begins in water, and every origin says the same thing. But what if that's not just a story about Earth? What if it's universal? Even in space, astronomers now say water is everywhere. Comets, moons, nebulas. Stars are born in nebula clouds filled with hydrogen and dust, which behaves fluid-like. Some scientists even describe the interstellar medium, the space between stars, as a kind of plasma soup or fluid-like substance. So here's the question: are stars being born in space, or in something more like cosmic water? Space isn't a perfect vacuum. I believe there's structure, movement, resonance. Some ancient cultures believed the heavens were literal waters. The Bible speaks of the waters above and the waters below. The Egyptians saw the sky as Nut, the cosmic ocean. In Hindu cosmology, Vishnu floats in the Kshira Sagara, the ocean of milk, birthing the universe from its depths. Were they described in space as a sea or fluid or ocean? Water, sound, light, creation. Water is the medium, sound is the activator, light is the result, life is the emergence. That now makes me see let there be light in a whole new context. Maybe the stars aren't burning gas balls in a vacuum, or maybe they are. Maybe they're sacred oscillations formed in liquid, fluid, activated by frequency. Maybe space isn't empty, it's alive, a vast ocean of vibration.